If y is greater than 0 and y squared minus 9 is equal to 0, what is the value of y? We have quadratic equation y squared minus 9 is equal to 0. We have to solve this quadratic equation. How we do this? Because we have only y squared on the left side, so I will move negative 9 to the right side. So we have y squared is equal negative to the other side, so it will be positive 9. Which number raised to second power give me 9? Of course, is 3 positive or negative. Negative 3 to second power give me 9, and positive 3 to second power give me 9. So we have two solutions, negative and positive 3. But we have given that y must be greater than 0. So the number greater than 0 is only 3. So solution for our equation is 3. Value of our unknown y is 3.